Good day. So this is the lesson 3 of our fashion accessories for grade 9 and grade 10. The topic is about using basic tools in fashion accessories. So before we start, let's have first the content standards, performance standards, and most essential learning competencies. Content standards. The learner demonstrates an understanding of the concepts, theories, and techniques in making fashion accessories. Performance standards. The learner independently demonstrates common competencies in making fashion accessories. And the most essential learning competencies, using basic tools in fashion accessories. Using basic tools in fashion accessory. There are various supplies and many different kinds of tools and materials that could be useful when creating a beautiful and correctly made fashion accessories. The tools and other materials that are used when making fashion accessories can be dangerous if used incorrectly. This lesson will help you understand about materials, tools, and equipments used in fashion accessories. In this lesson, you are expected to discuss the functions and uses of each material, tools, and equipment, demonstrate techniques and procedures in using the tools in making fashion accessory, value the importance of knowing the functions, techniques, and procedures in using each materials, tools, and equipment. Beads and pendants. There are varieties of beads and pendants. It can be a bit expensive, but they're inexpensive and exotic beads. We can recycle beads from broken or outdated accessories. Examples are plastic beads, glass beads, seed beads, spacers, or charms. Threading material. Accessories can be hung in many ways with the use of different threads. The finer the beads, the smaller thread that we use. The larger the hole of the materials, we can use the cords or ribbons. Examples are monofilament cord, thong, ribbon, and nylon bead string. Wire and chain. It comes in various thickness and materials, like gold-plated, silver, surgical steel, or colored wire made from coated copper alloy. Tiger tail and chain are examples. Findings. Used to make a collection of fashion accessories to wearable. Example of these are head pins, tag ends, and fastening. Let us now proceed with the tools and equipments. So let's start now with the first one, which is tape measure. It is useful in making necklace in terms of length. Wire cutters, specifically for jewelry making, to snip wire as they are easier to get close to small components than the larger wire cutters. Scissors. An old scissor will suffice for fine wires. Use sharp scissors to cut threads and ribbon, thong, cord, and fabric. Snipe nose pliers. Versatile pliers have flat faces and are used to close crimps and tag ends. Round nose pliers, used to create loops or jump rings. Crimping pliers, used to secure crimps tightly and neatly. The crimp made with the crimping pliers is more rounded than the crimp made with the flat nose pliers. Tweezers come in handy to pick up tiny beads and for holding pieces in one hand while applying glue with the other. Needles thread tiny beads for smaller size, threads for the use of large beads. Super glue used in securing the nuts with a small dab. Clear nail varnish, suitable for gluing nuts and ribbon to prevent fraying. Masking tape. Low-tack adhesive tape can be wrapped around the end of tiger tail or to stop beads from falling off the wire. Storage box with compartment. Used to keep beads and other small materials and findings. Here are the picture references for the images that I used in this presentation. Thank you again. I hope you learned from this lesson. Once again, this is Mr. Atanasio and good day.